This video will explain how to replace the laces for your Fire Eagle Xtreme boots. First, loosen the small screws on the lace lock cover on each side using the screwdriver provided. Push the lace lock cover down slightly until it becomes loose, then remove. Afterwards, remove the existing springs in the leather handle. Next, unknot the laces from the grip handle. Then remove all existing laces, black and yellow. Starting with the yellow lace, thread it through the black tab in the middle of the boot tongue until both ends are the same length. Thread the laces through the outer eyelets. Add the double eyelet piece on each lace, then thread the lace through the eyelet tab directly above. Cross the laces and thread through the final eyelet tabs. Thread the black lace through the bottom eyelet on the back of the metatarsal protector. Pull the lace until both ends are the same length. Thread each end of the lace through the lowest eyelet tabs on the boot. Now, thread the black lace through the back through the remaining eyelets on the protector. Laces should be coming out towards the wide end. Thread the laces through the second eyelet tabs on each side. Pull the black laces until the metatarsal protector folds over and is properly positioned on the boot. Cross the black laces. Thread them through the opposite eyelet tabs between the metatarsal protector and the yellow lace. Cross the black laces again, thread them through the double eyelet piece. Make sure the black laces are over the yellow laces. Using the grip handle, pull the black laces through the openings so that the ends come out of the wide, curved side. Knot the laces with a double knot. Use the same procedure for the yellow laces. Make sure the black laces are in front of the yellow laces. Before attaching the lace lock mechanism, cross the yellow laces and insert them through the inner opening. Without crossing the black laces, run them through the outer opening. Use the sliders which are attached to the leather pull-on loop. Press the sliders into the holder on each side until the laces are pinched. The rough cut edge should face the heel. Clamp the springs into position in the upper part of the lace lock. Do this on each side. Insert the pegs on the lace lock cover into the holes on the lace lock and slide upward until it clicks into place. Insert the screws using the screwdriver provided. Do not over tighten or the plastic will break. The screw head should be flush with the plastic cover. Now your boot is ready to go.